Let us now understand convection of heat. Here we can write that convection is a process in which heat is transferred in liquid and gases. Specifically, we talk about fluids where the density almost remains same. So heat is transferred in liquid and gases by actual movement of medium particles from hot region to colder regions. When medium particles from hot regions which are at high temperature travels to the colder region and supplies heat, this is the way by which transfer of heat takes place, known as convection of heat. Here you can have a look on this realistic experimental situations where we can understand the phenomena of convection of heat. This is a flask in which clear water is filled, and at the bottom of flask undisturbed ink is placed, and here you can see when a burner is lighten up in this situation, due to heating and conduction of heat through the walls of flask, the ink will get heated up, and due to heating, ink particles will have some thermal agitation, and due to heating it expands, and the hot ink particles will start moving up, and gradually the ink particle rises in the upper region of water, which is the colder region. So you can see as ink becomes hot, it rises and distribute the heat in the upper region of water where water is cold. So this is the way after some time you can see throughout the container the color of water, throughout the flask color of water turns blue. That implies that the heat from the bottom region, which is conducted through the burner into the flask, is distributed by the ink particles, and this phenomena we call as convection of heat. Here you can have a look on this picture, which is another example to understand convection. This is the picture of a room heater based on convection of oil. And now here you can see there are several fins in this heater in which oil is heated up, and the air below the fins heats up, and due to high temperature the pressure increases and it rises up. Due to the rising of this air in the lower region, pressure decreases and the sideways cold air gets into this region and again gets heated up and rises. So such circulation flow of air particles start, and such circulation flow is called as convection current. In coming sections we'll also discuss about some large convection current which takes place in coastal areas from land to sea and sea to land, called sea breeze and land breeze.